Okay, today I'm gonna show you is my rooftop tent arrived. I finally get it, and this is how it installed on top of the Kelly Ray's LED roof rack. I have a Tacoma Rockadie series. So we went off-roading this weekend at Apple Valley all the way to Fonskin Big Bear, and this thing handled pretty darn good. I love it, and I'm very impressed the way it handled. It's so stiff. I don't feel the movement, or the bed is flexing or anything like that, and it's pretty solid because of this roof rack. I mean this extrusion bar. Here is the mounting bracket. So there's two over here, also another two over here, and another two down there, right there. And it's all the way to the front. So the front doesn't have these bracket. It comes with only 1, 2, 3, 4 bracket, but since I have 3 row, you see this extrusion ball, 1, 2, and 3, and over there. So what I did over there at the edge, I just plan to put an L bracket, so we will mount it. But anyway, I haven't put the L bracket on the other two rail yet, but it handled pretty. Yeah, the trail was so rough, from easy to intermediate, or some place is so rough we have to make a U-turn. I can show you on the other my video. But anyway, I'm so impressed with these. These only weigh 180 pounds, I believe. It's a Rockadie series of 3-person. Yeah, so far I'm so impressed with this, the way it handled. This is what I mean on the other edge. You can see, how it's barely reach. I don't know where is it at. Right here. You see that? It's kind of sitting almost like 1/4 on it. So what I'm planning to do, I'm gonna put an L bracket on the other side. L bracket from here and down to here. That's how I'm gonna mount it on the other side. Sorry, it's kind of hard to video, but you get the idea. Over here and also on the other side over there. It's the same concept. So without this L bracket here, it handles so well already. Anyway, sorry for the blur for some reason. Okay, here's the top. How it look. It's kind of dirty right now. We just came back. So dusty. We just came back from off-roading, But that's how it looked from the top. All right. Yeah. Let me walk you through around my truck. I almost using this when we go. It's very convenient. It's all right. Yeah, I haven't used this high lift yet. It's a good thing. And here's the inside of my Tacoma. I got a CB here, and here's my comm communication. It's a quad band TYT 9800. It worked very well with my brother. The mic I mounted right here. It's so easy to access. Here's my mini iPod. I can use this for my map. I have a PA here too, and these are my rocket switch down there that I use for all my LED, turn on my radio, all that kind of goody stuff. Here's my external speaker for my radio. This is a detachable face, so I just use a RAM mount to mount this. It works very nice. It holds my laptop, hold my mini pad, and also my detachable ham radio over here. These RAM mount I bought for my laptop, so I have the laptop head unit. I took it off, so I just mount for my mini iPad. So it's reversible. It's pretty good design. I love it. Yeah, that's it. So, and here's my brake controller, control my quad. My razor and all that kind of side by side. And pretty much that's it. And let me show you the radio for the body of this radio. I mount it back here on my back seat. So I know it's gonna get a little bit heat, but this is how I mount it. It worked very nice. I thought it was a little bit hard for them back here, but this radio, it have fan built in, so it helped a lot. Every time you key it in, the fan start to turn to help cooling the internal here. So, and the speaker here, if I put it outside, it's pretty loud. It's reasonable, very good. But I bought this external speaker, like I show you up there, mount there, and I just connected this external speaker through here, and route it all the way out of here, and come down and go through this panel under here, and all the way to the engine bay, to the firewall, and then back over to the head unit. So it works very good, very nice. Also my power, do the same thing. I have to drill here, and I put a grommet there in case, just to help protecting the wire from nicking on this material. So I kind of tie down a little bit so it won't slide back and forth on both ends, as you can see. So that's how I do it. Also my antenna wire, same thing. So just go through here, go out here, and I routed everything under here up to here, and see how it come up from here, and go through my third window on the back. So, and I can just close like this. I can go all the way too, but I just don't want to pinch the wire too much. But it has a weather strip here that can help, so it won't hurt the insulation. So that's how it is. Alright, and my dual band antenna, since it go out from there, go through there, just through the third window, come up here, go up here. So these are 2-band antenna radio. So I just put the double side tape here so it stick onto it. It's kind of blend in. Same thing here. Put a double side tape and then stick the cable along through so it can stay in nicely. Good. Oh, this red here is the base for my high lift jack. Again, still brand new. I haven't used the high lift yet, so which is a good thing. Eventually it will. I mean, the tire is not gonna last when you go off-road a lot. So, but I have these tire for, I don't know, maybe like 6-7 years already. It still have a good tread. You know, I go off-road every year too, so I'm impressed with these tires. These are the trail grappler. Yeah, trail grappler. It's 33 inch by Nito. Yep, Nito. Yeah, it's still pretty strong. Yeah, I love this Icon lift suspension kit as well. They work very nice out there. So I might want to beef it up to a 2.5. Right now it's only 2.0, but it's worked very well for me. So my brother upgraded to a 2.5. Here's my suspension coil over in the front. Icon. Yep. I'm surprised this tire is still in good shape. I haven't aligned it or anything like that. I haven't swapped it around or rotate anything like that. I'm very impressed with this tire. Alright. Here's the overview of my Taco. It's my LED down here. Yeah, skid plate. I think there's some scratch on the skid plate as well. But anyway, it's not that big of a deal. Okay. Again, this video is about the rooftop tent, but I just went through a whole walk around in my truck a little bit to show you. Just came back from off-roading Labor Day weekend, Apple Valley, Johnson Valley, all the way to Fonskin and Big Bear area. Alright, thank you for watching. Comment. Hey, how you doing?